See if I can put it off. Push her around.
Yeah, I gotta clear that bungee cord. That's called a Snowbunji. It's a tow system there, like a big bunch of bungee cords. It's supposed to haul you out. I've never used it, so we're going to give this a go now while Brian has a look at me. Hey Brian, here.
I only seen it the other day, but
Got one, dude.
Snowbunji is a lot stronger than the strap. She started to move, but we had an extension strap put on, just a vinyl pull cable, and the vinyl pull cable broke. Round 2.
push her around.
Yeah, I gotta clear that bungee cord.
Perfect.
Strap to Leon's. Snowbunji. That right there, that right there is a testament to how that Snowbunji works. Because she was buried, no strain at all, just plucked it right out. Unbelievable.